Good day, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from your Exness account to your local bank account. So let's dive in. Okay, so we are here in the web trading interface. What you need to do is on the top right hand side there are a 9-dot menu thing going on here. Here you will look for personal area. You need to go into personal area to process this. Okay, this is what it will look like. This is the home page. You can see all of your details over here. What you will now do on the left hand side in this menu, you will see withdrawals. Let's go into that. Once you have opened this, you will now see all of your payment methods. The option that you want to look for is internet banking. This will allow you to draw directly to your bank account. Here we can change the currency. So the currency right now is my home currency. You can then also choose which account it is coming from. So my MetaTrader 5 account, that's where it's coming from. And then you have to enter the amount. Once you've entered the amount from $10 to $12,500 you will then see what the conversion is in your own currency. And as you go down, you will then click on continue, where you will go to the portal as to your banking details that you will add in, your account number, card number, and all of the rest of the details. And then you can process that withdrawal.